For this question, it's asking us to compute the overall mean memory score for the females, also for the males, and then for those who receive treatment A and for those who receive treatment B. So 4 overall means is what we're after altogether. Just reading the table, you can see that if we go this way, we get all the females for treatment A and treatment B. And those are all the males for treatment A and treatment B. Then if we read it down, we can see those are all males and female for treatment A. And here we have all females and males for treatment B going down. So let's begin with the information for treatment A, and we're going to focus on this overall mean right here. So this is the formula right here that we're going to want. Overall mean refers to this one right there. For each category, we have the mean and we have the number of people given. So what we don't have, if we look at the actual formula, if we do it one by one without considering the overall right now, we know that the mean is the sum of x over n. So if we look at the first box, which is females that received treatment A, we know in order to solve for the sum of x, we just have to plug in the mean is given with 10 over the sum of x is what we're solving for, and we know the number of people are 40 in the first box. So we multiply both sides by 40 and come up with 400 equals the sum of x, which in this case is for the females that received treatment A. Now we do exactly the same thing for males that receive treatment A, which is this box right here. So again, we know the mean is 10, that's given. The sum of x is what we're looking for, and the number of people here are 20. Multiply both sides by 20, so we know that 200 is the sum of x for the males that receive treatment A. And now we have everything to plug into the actual formula to get the overall mean. So the overall mean is, now I'm right here, the sum of x1, which was the 400, plus the sum of x2, which was the 200. And now, and that's where the weighing comes in, because the first sample had 40n and the second sample only had 20n, right? This one right here. So this is going to be 600 over 60, which equals 10. And the 10 was the overall mean for treatment A, females and males. So this answer right here is going to be 10. So you're going to do exactly the same thing, apply the same logic for treatment B. Your answer is going to be 6. And then you do the same thing for females, going in this direction, so considering those two boxes. And the answer is going to be 8.7. And then the same thing for those two boxes. And here the answer is going to be 7.3.